Hello and welcome back to Ganesh Institute channel. So in today's video, we are going to discuss that how we can find out the point of intersection of two lines if equation of them is given to us, and then how we can then calculate equation of a plane using that. Okay, so let's take an example to show all these things. Now you can see here what is given to you is these two equations, and we have to show that they are intersecting. That means they have a common point. Yeah. So thereafter you need to find out the coordinates of the point of intersection and then equation of the plane which is containing them. Okay. So how we will do it? Let's see. First of all, let's say they are having point of intersection. Okay. And that point is, let's say, this is your first equation, x plus 1 by minus 3, y minus 3 by 2, z plus 2 by 1, right? Let's say this is equal to a constant term which is k. Similarly, for another equation of a line, what you can assume is another number, another constant. Let's say L. Now you need to find out the values of k and L. So what is x from here? If you put x plus 1 by minus 3 as k, you will get x is equals to minus 3 will go into multiplication, so minus 3k minus 1, right? Similarly, y will be 2 will be here into multiplication, so 2k plus 3, then z will be k minus 2, right? Then for this x, you have this multiply with L. First of all, put x by 1 is equals to L. Okay, so x is L, then y is minus 3 multiply L plus 7. Correct? It will go on to the right hand side and it will become positive. Thereafter, for z, you will be having 2L minus 7. Correct? Now, in order to have a point of intersection, because question is saying find out them, so this should be equal to, x, y and z part should be equal. So x is here minus 3k minus 1, whereas x here is L, so these two should be equal. Then here you have 2k plus 3 as y, and here minus 3L plus 7 as y, and then here you have z as k minus 2, which will be equal to 2L minus 7, right? This is it. Now what you need to find out, if you, so see, this is your value of L. If you substitute into another equation, you will get 2k plus 3 minus 3L. L is what? Minus 3k minus 1 plus 7. So what will be the value of k? So 2k is equals to minus minus plus 9k minus minus plus 3. Then 7 minus 3 is 4. Right? So 9 minus 2 is 7k, and this is minus 7, so k is minus 1, right? So this is, you have got in terms of k, and then if you substitute here value of k as minus 1, you will get your L, what it would be. So minus 3 times minus 1 minus 1, so minus minus plus 3 minus 1 is 2, so L is 2. So what are your what are the values for x and y and z? So here if you substitute k as minus 1, so you will get, right, what you'll get, 3 minus 1 2. So your x is 2, y is what? Here 2 times minus 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, and z is what? Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 2, right? Now here onto the right hand side, if you substitute the value of L, L is what? 2, so x is 2, y is minus 3 times 2 is minus 6, 7 minus 6 is 1, and z is what? 2 times 2 is 4, 4 minus 7 is minus 3. Because from both of the two different values for x, for k and l, we are getting same x, y, and z. So what does it mean? That we have that these lines intersect, and we have a point of intersection. What is it? 2 comma 1 comma minus 3, right? X, y, and z. So we are done with up till this section, right? Intersection. Now about the equation of plane. So you need to remember that in order to find out the equation of a plane from two equations of a line, of two equations of two lines, what you are supposed to do is take determinant of these two lines and put them as 0. Just bear with me, I'm erasing this. So it means let's say take this equation, okay? No, this is not the right color. So take this equation, this is x plus 1, y minus 3, and z plus 2, right? Now take this position vector of this line and these position vectors of another line. So firstly, minus 3, 2, 1, and then 1, minus 3, 2, and substitute the determinant as 0. So whatever you have got after that, that will be your equation of a plane. So let's see how it goes. You know how to solve determinant, right? So first of all, you need to take this first row, let's say x plus 1 element, and then you have to hide this first row, first column. This is column, this is row. So if you hide, what are the elements you've got? 2, 1, minus 3, 2, right? Then you have to put minus sign because this is second row. So this element is at the position of first row, second column. So first row, second column means this is having summation as 3, which is an odd number. So you have to place minus sign with it, okay? So minus y minus 3. Now, if you hide y minus 3, the rows and columns where y minus 3 lie, so that means this row and y minus 3 column, what you have got? Minus 3, 1 and 1, 2, right? And then you have z plus 2 with you and the determinant. If you hide this column and this row, what you have got? So you have got minus 3, 1, 2, minus 3, correct? So now solve this. We have to create a space, right? Try solving it and we'll see, we'll match the values which we've got. So now just bear with me, I'm erasing it. So now if you see, what is here? X plus 1. Now this will be cross multiplication. 2 times 2 is 4, minus is in formula, and minus 3 times 1 is minus 3. So plus 3. Then here it is minus y minus 3. Then again cross multiply. Minus 3 times 2 is minus 6. Minus is in formula. 1 times 1 is 1. And then here you have z plus 2. Then if you do cross multiplication again, minus 3 minus 3 plus 9, and then minus 2 1 is 2, right? So what you have got? 4 and 3, 7. So 7 when multiplied with this x plus 1, 7x plus 7. Then here it is minus 6 minus 1, which is minus 7. So minus 7 when do with this minus 1 part, it will be plus 7 y, 7 3 is 21, correct? And then you have plus 9 minus 2 is 7. So 7z, 7 2 is 14, correct? So here this should be 0. We are finding out the equation of a plane. So 7x, 7y plus 7z all together. And then 7 and 14, 21. 21 minus 21 is 0. So that means the equation of a plane is x plus y plus z as 0. I hope you understand this topic. Concept is clear. And if so, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Till my next video, take care of yourself. Bye bye.